Okay, the next one is the Christmas tree. I chose blue and white for this Christmas tree. So what we'll do is we'll take the white and cut it in half. Fold that in half and tape it down. And then we'll do the same thing with the blue rope that we did with the green rope, where we get it, the ends the same length, and then put this under here. Okay. All right, now it's the same knot as the first knot. So we'll make a number 4, and then put this end down and up, down and up. Pull those ropes together. There we go. Now, we will not put the rope this way. We're going to do an opposite knot. So now we'll put the rope down here and up here. Down, up. And then pull the knot up. And then pull it tight right here. There we go. Okay, so right there is your first knot. That's this knot right here. Okay? So, next step. We're going to go back to the number 4. This one will go down and then up. Excuse me. Down and then up. And now we will pull the knot till about right here. Not all the way tight. Leave some space right there. And then we'll do the opposite knot again. So here we have the backwards 4. This one, down and then up. Pull that knot tight. And then push it up. So now you'll see 2 little wings here. Go back to the first knot. It'll look like a number 4. And then this end down and up. Pull it tight. We'll leave space again. And then the opposite knot. Down and up. There we go. Down, up. Now we're going to pull this knot tight. And you'll have 2 loose spots. Push this up. Now you can see level 1 and level 2. Smaller and then bigger. So each knot will get gradually bigger. This will come out like this. Okay? Keep repeating the pattern. Number 4, down and then up. Keep it a little loose. And then this one, the backwards 4. And then here, down and then up. There we go, 1, 2, 3. All right, we'll do a couple more. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think you can do 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's do one more. This way, down and up. Okay, that's about it. The next step is to cut the loops to make the tree look like this. So we can take this off. There we go. The last step is to just unravel the ends here. And finally, you can cut your tail. And there you go. Christmas tree.